Just want to make sure I don't look like school going kid. Hello beautiful angels, today we're going to do the unboxing of the fall 2020 Fabfitfun add-ons, and also have the spoiler alert for the winter box. I did already unbox my fall box, so I'm going to leave the link below, so do check that out. And this is, we are just unboxing the add-ons. I'm so happy that you're here, and if you're stopping by for the first time, smash that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Let's dive in. First beauty that I have is this one right here. In my background, like you see the products right in between this plant and in between this one. So these are all the products that's going to be in my giveaway. So stay tuned for that. That do include this one right here that I received in my fall box. So just a sneak peek. Okay, the first beauty that I have is this bag, and this is Bought Care New York Trigger Backpack. This multifunctional backpack holds all the essentials in style, and this retails for $100. Okay, so this is the hardware, and this is more like a stainless steel kind of thing, and we have two zippers in here. I was expecting it to be a little bigger while I looked at the pictures, but this is a little smaller than what I was expecting. More of a handbag size. Like if you see, it's more of an handbag. In fact, it's more of a crossbody bag, because I have one of the crossbody bag which is almost the size of this. But it's going to hold like all the essentials. So there is one inner pocket in here to the side, and this smells like leather, so it's just this piece that has the leather, and this is not leather, this is some kind of cloth. Okay, so here are the straps. Let's try. Just want to make sure I don't look like school going kid. This is how it looks. Next, I have this beauty right here. It's Gloss Matrix Hair Removal Device. Instantly and painlessly sweep away unwanted hair from any area of your body, and this one retails for $59.99. Let's see what this beauty is. This is what we're looking at. So that do have the battery and a brush to clean, and this one right here. Let me open this. Okay, does it ever happen to you guys, like when you put the battery on and about to turn on the switch, there will be a moment where you will feel like, I don't know if this is really working or if it doesn't work. That's the kind of thoughts that run in my mind usually. This one looks more like an epilator, like where like the hair would be removed, but let's try. It's working. I just brought you guys closer to me because I want to try this on. I'm going to try. I just want to make sure like this is not painful. Alright, I'm ready. It's more like shaving. Yeah, I think it's more like shaving kind of thing. I thought it would remove the hair from the roots. Instantly and painlessly sweep away unwanted hair from any area of your body. It's discreet and portable design. Let's see what we got next. Once you complete your box, you would be getting like a choice of 3 where you have to pay, and then but for less price. I don't know, it's a choice item or I don't know what it is called. But the next beauty that I got is this beauty right here. So this is CEO Glow Vitamin C plus Turmeric Face Oil, and I got this because I got this for a really good deal. I think maybe I paid like $18 or something like that. Does it ever happen to you because you brought it just because it's a good deal? That doesn't mean that you're going to use it. So this is how it looks. Wow, that looks beautiful. Yeah, and this looks like turmeric. Smells like Sunday Rally. Because Sunday Rally, their products do have like one kind of scent. All of their products do smell like pharmacy. This smells the same, like the blue tansy oil. Yeah, it smells just like that. So those are the products that I got for my add-ons. We also have the spoiler alert for the winter box. So in the last page we did have the hint, and all it has is like a flower and plus a coin. So this is the hint for the winter 2020. The lily flower and the coin, it could be from the lily Pulitzer. It could be a ceramic mug. And this looks like a really interesting kind of mug. It has the lily flowers like kind of print on it, and the handle is gold, and this retails for $20. Okay, let's see about this beauty. Coffee or tea, whenever or whatever your morning routine calls for, give it some color with our printed ceramic mug. And this is ceramic mug with gold handle, and it's 12-ounce capacity, hand wash only. Okay, and this retails for $20. Awesome. That is all we have, and if you like this video so far, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and be good to each other. Stay safe. Bye.